Imagine a world without technology. Now remember which sector brings all tech to life. Utilities have newfound growth potential. As demand increases, opportunities are opening up for investors. According to McKinsey, U.S. power demand is expected to increase more than 3% annually through 2040, driven by rapid growth in domestic manufacturing, electric vehicles, and artificial intelligence. The U.S. could be on track to consume record amounts of electricity. We're at the start of a power demand growth supercycle. The last supercycle for utilities was driven by widespread adoption of air conditioning. AI just might be bigger than that. A typical AI-focused data center consumes as much power as 100,000 households. The largest ones, still under construction, can consume 20 times as much. AI is projected to equal the amount of power used by 40 million homes, a third of the total homes in the U.S. Mega-cap companies alone are expected to increase their electric usage by the same amount used to power the city of Miami in new demand every year. The opportunity for utilities investors could be unprecedented. Are your clients on board for growth? Learn more about the Virtus Reads Utilities ETF. Visit virtus.com or call 800-243-4361.